Hey tuba players, Mr. Humphrey here from Wells Middle School coming back at you with another tuba video. Alright, so today we're going to talk about our first sounds. I'm excited. Are you excited? I am. I'm excited for you if you're not. You should be. So first thing I want to do is make sure that you hold the tuba, and you can take off the mouthpiece and hold the tuba with one hand, mouthpiece with the other. You go like this. M. 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 Good job. Take the mouthpiece, put it in. Bring the tuba to you. If you have to go like this, and you're like, oh, Mr. Tuba, I want to play a note really bad. Please let me do it. And you're like it's like a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Don't do that. That's not good. We don't want that at all. Absolutely not. This is a piece of metal, not your boyfriend or girlfriend. Make sure you bring the tuba to you, like this. And make sure whenever you put the instrument on your face, the bottom lip touches first. Here, I'll see if I can sit sideways to show you. The bottom lip touches, and the top lip touches. And I'll explain why in a minute. But first, I want to make a really, really good sound. And I believe that you can. So you say M. And just blow all of your air. And what will happen is your lips will go inside here, and it'll make a sound. M. Your sound might sound like this, or like this. Might sound like one of those, and that is totally okay. But the one that we're looking for is this one. I would probably sing that if I were you. I know, or hum it. Or even sing it in the tuba. Can you hear it's the same note? Isn't that awesome? All right. Well, good luck. Practice making great sounds. Have a great day.